Hello everybody and welcome back to Kate's Corner of the Internet. Today I will be talking a little bit about my travel journal, what I love about it, and why you should get into travel journaling and just how to go about that. This is my beautiful travel journal right here. She's gorgeous, she is getting thick, and I recently returned home from a trip, so I'm still taping everything in, and I just want you guys to come along with me as I show you my process for making my travel journal spreads, what I write about, how I format things, and yeah, let's get on to the video. Basically from the time that I could write, I have been travel journaling, writing about where I was, what we were doing, places we ate at, all that jazz. It has been so helpful to me in my whole life, just being able to look back at that, especially from my younger perspective, going to Yosemite, going to Disneyland, talking about how I felt. And now a lot older, I'm 20, and I write all about just the people that I interact with, the amazing experiences that I've been able to have traveling, and more of just like a scrapbook. But just wanted to talk about a few of the materials and really what is helpful to bring when you're traveling so that you can be prepared to bring all that stuff home, and what you will need when you are putting everything into your travel journal and making it that cute scrapbook look. First thing that is just a necessity is double-sided tape. I got this double-sided tape pack from Hobby Lobby, just $8 for 4 tape runners. They last me a long time. I used to get them from Target, but they're like $10 for one. The second one is stickers. I am a huge sticker person. I love putting stickers into my travel journal and just keeping it looking cute and fun. Super nice just to fill in those pages and to make it more fun and colorful, as it is like a journal and also that scrapbook aspect of it. I have these stickers that I got at Hobby Lobby. Super cute. These are just adorable little flower ones and little hearts and suns with little smiley faces. So the next thing that I highly recommend is a good set of markers. Now I use just the zebra mildliner markers. These are just all the colors that I really need, and I can doodle with them, I can underline things with them. They're like a good highlighter if you want to highlight portions, and also for creating borders, since it has that highlight feature and it also has that the fine side. It has the bold side and the fine side. So that finer side helps you to make those lines and to do that more line art that you might be looking for in a scrapbook. Okay, so next up is a Polaroid printer. This one seemed a little bit weird to me at first because of course you can get pictures printed at Walmart, at Walgreens, but having the ability to just print pictures from my phone as Polaroids is super nice because they're always gonna be the same size. I never have to worry about it. It just swipes right onto my phone and I can print it out right there. Even some sort of small picture printer, those are super good, but I highly recommend the Polaroid printer. Just gives it that cutesy, vintagey look in that little Polaroid frame. Last up for any like fun type of stuff is just some good tapes. These are just like a little washi tape set that I just bought at Hobby Lobby the other day, and I love them. They're super cute, and they get the job done just to make cute borders, to put things over words and over titles. It is super nice to have some good washi tapes that even might go with the vibe of your trip or with that kind of scrapbooky look that you're going for. So as I just put all of this stuff into my travel journal, I am just going to kind of talk through the way that I'm doing it, how I like to do it, as I show you the things that I added into my travel journal from this trip, and maybe give you some tips and tricks of how you can do it too. Okay, now moving on to the items that I look for when I travel. I got some right here, so I'm just going to show you bit by bit some of the things that I got. I really love to look for small art pieces and postcards. This is like the best and most important one. These postcards are obviously so cute, so versatile. I know that I can cut these up, place them into different spots of my pictures, and to use them all around my journal. So this is what my journal looks like right now. As you can see, I left a lot of open spaces for my postcards, for the little things that I want to tape in, and those Polaroid pictures. And I usually plan them out as I'm going on the trip so I can know what I want to put in there. Obviously, this trip I didn't bring any type of double-sided tape or scissors, so I didn't have those materials with me, so I just had to plan it before and then do this after. I also love to do a little title page to show that just the little trip that I'm doing, what it's like, and yeah, but honestly, the traveling has just really impacted my life. This is a great way for me to mix my creativity with something that I love so much, which is seeing the world. I really truly have become a different person from the experiences that I've been able to have on my trips, whether it's going to Yosemite National Park, to the beach, or to another country. I always feel like I receive amazing experiences and memories that last so much longer than anything that I buy. Obviously, these postcards are a remembrance of that and the pictures, but they really do last so much longer because I have them written down and I have these memories just right on the page. As I write, I feel like I really like to think about things that are happening around me, the feelings that I'm having, what's going on. As you can see, I'm still writing in some entries. I totally didn't write all the entries on my trip. I sometimes get really backed up and it's really hard for me to do it when we're just going, and I'm so tired. But I honestly love to do these travel journals and I love to just add in my little touches of kind of the vibe of the trip, how I felt, and it's so beautiful. But go ahead and watch just this next little montage part of me doing my journal. Make sure as well to comment, to like and subscribe if you have any questions. I have a lot of the tools and materials that I use in my description down below, as well as my socials, to follow along on my journey as I travel and as I help you to feel the most organized as you travel as well.